Hi y'all, today we are doing a nighttime speed clean and I'm also going to show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. So let's just jump right in. I'm first starting in the kitchen. I have quite the pile of dishes to tackle here. Just gonna load everything into the dishwasher and I end up just having 1 cup that I wanted to hand wash and everything else fit right in, which is great. I'm gonna run the dishwasher and get these dishes taken care of. So how was everyone's Mother's Day? I hope you had an amazing, relaxing, awesome Mother's Day and you felt super special if you're a mom watching this. My birthday, wedding anniversary, and Mother's Day are all within like 2 weeks of each other. And my favorite thing to do for any, special occasion for me is go shopping and eating good food. So I got to do that, especially for Mother's Day. My birthday and my wedding anniversary were in the middle of the week and I was just in full on mom mode. But the weekend came, Mother's Day happened. We did a bunch of gardening and yard work, which sounds awful, but I loved it. And then I just took a long hot shower and my husband ordered a bunch of my favorite sushi and stuff from this restaurant near us. We watched a rom-com, relaxed, went to bed. It was amazing. So I hope whatever you got to do, it was your favorite thing. You felt super special, got to hang out with your family and have an amazing Mother's Day because you deserve it. So after I get that dishwasher loaded up, I just wanted to hand wash my cup here because I was going to use it right away. And then I'm going to just quickly scrub out the sink. I'm not going to like deep clean it or anything because I am about to use it to clean all of my makeup brushes. So what I have found that I really love to clean my makeup brushes with is the pink Zote laundry bar from Walmart. I don't know how I even came across this. I think I was just out of my normal cleaners and I realized that I had this bar and I decided to try it and it works amazing to clean your makeup brushes. It's like $1 or $2 at Walmart. It lasts forever and it gets every single stain out that you could possibly think of. I mean, I do like crazy blue and purple and yellow eyeshadow looks sometimes, so my brushes and stuff can definitely get stained, but this will get anything out and it smells amazing and it's not really harsh, so it leaves your brushes really, really clean, but also really soft. Now, I don't know if anyone knows this about me. I don't think I've ever mentioned this, at least not in any of my cleaning videos, but many, many moons ago, before I was a mom and a stay-at-home mother, I was a makeup artist. So this is not what I used to clean my brushes with because you need to, be like a licensed cosmetologist and follow your state guidelines. But this is what I do to clean my personal brushes and I love it so, so much. And then if you want to disinfect your personal brushes, I would just use 90% isopropyl alcohol on them afterwards, spray them down really well, and then wipe everything with a brush. I don't care about disinfecting my personal brushes because it's literally just me using them. It's not a big deal. Soap and water gets off any bacteria that I would be worried about. But that is an option for you. And yeah, I think I do mention it in most of my videos that I do have another YouTube channel where I do makeup videos. So that's no surprise, but I don't think very many people know that way back in the day, I actually was a freelance makeup artist. So fun fact about me. So then after everything is washed, I even do the same thing with my sponges. I use that same soap, and then I'm gonna lay everything here on my makeup desk to dry overnight, and they will be clean and fresh and ready to go for the next week tomorrow. And I love using freshly cleaned brushes when I'm doing my makeup. It is like the best feeling. So now we're back in the kitchen. I'm just going to start clearing off the rest of the counters, putting things away, throwing things away, wherever things need to go. You know, the kitchen island is always a catch-all for random things. And then I'm going to use the Lemon Verbena Miss Meyer's Multi-Surface Cleaning Spray and wipe down all of the counters. All of my cleaners right now are lemon scented for spring, and they're absolutely delicious. They're making my day every single time I use them. Do not skip over the little things when you're cleaning. Little things like that is really what helps me to get motivated. Also, you guys help me to get motivated all the time, so thank you for that. We are motivating each other here, but I love seasonal scented products. I love when I run out of something and then summer's gonna hit, I'm gonna switch to grapefruit or something really summery. That motivates the crap out of me to clean. I don't know what it is, but I smell it while I'm cleaning and I just think, spring, love that. So don't underestimate the scent of your products. Of course, you want them to work well. That's the first priority. But if you can get something that you love the way it works and you also love the smell, that is a super duper plus and a really, really good motivator in my opinion. So once all the counters are wiped down really well, I'm going to vacuum and mop in here. I'm using my O Cedar Quick Mop with the lemon scented Mr. Clean Multi-Surface Cleaning Spray mixed with water. It works like a charm, and of course it also smells incredible. I think that the Mr. Clean, this might be controversial but don't get me wrong, I love that light blue Mr. Clean. I love the smell of it, but I think I like the lemon one more. I know, how could I say something so controversial yet so brave? The lemon one just smells so good. It just smells so good. You just have to smell it. Of course, that little light blue one will always be a classic and smell amazing, but this lemon Mr. Clean is incredible. That is the kitchen done, and now we are moving on to quickly just do the floor in the dining room. I am speed cleaning in this video, so I was not trying to take time to wipe off the 3 little crumbs that were on the table and deal with my husband's lunchbox. I was not feeling it. The floors were absolutely horrendous though, so those needed to get done. So I'm just gonna vacuum and mop really well around the table and pull out the chairs and everything and get every last piece of dirt, crumb, dog hair, anything like that, and then move on to the living room. Side note, I don't know if anyone can really see it. It's not the best angle, but I did add the cutest fern to my coffee corner over here. I just have it hanging above. There was actually already a hook here, from when we first moved in. The previous owners must have also had a plant or something hanging up here, and I finally got a really great fern to just hang right up here, and I love it so much. I'm so happy to have real plants inside my house again. It has been so long. It's already hard enough for me to decorate, but also keeping a real plant alive extremely hard when I have a million other things going on. So all the other plants in my house are fake from Hobby Lobby, but this one is real and I'm loving her. And it always reminds me of the love fern from How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. I think of that movie so much now when I look at it, because that is my love fern for myself and my coffee, because it's over there in my coffee corner. So now that the dining room floor is taken care of, I'm just moving on to the living room. I'm going to first start by wiping down all of the surfaces, and I even had to wipe down the wall underneath the window. For some reason it had all these black smudges on it. I don't know if that's from my kids or from my dogs. I'm gonna say it was from the dogs because it's been raining and they come in and they shake when they're wet. Sometimes I can't catch them by the door. If it's from my kids, I don't even know what that is, but I wiped it off anyway, and I wiped off the TV stand and the coffee tables, and then I'm going to vacuum really well. I'm also going to vacuum the couch, but the speed cleaning way, where I literally just throw the whole vacuum up here and I just vacuum the couch like it's the floor. Hey, if you're speed cleaning, it's better than nothing. It still gets like 90% of the hair and the crumbs off, so I'm good with that. And then I'm going to vacuum the floor really well, moving things out of the way as much as I can. And then my O-Cedar Quick Mop finally gave out on me. I mentioned a couple videos back that I thought it was about to go out. I have had that thing for like 5 years at least. I think I got it when we moved into our first house. So for like a $20 mop, that is pretty darn good to last over 5 years. But she finally had to say goodbye, so I just have to get a totally new one now. I still have my spin mop, but you guys know I love my quick mop because it's quick. You know, it's quick, it's easy, gets the job done. So if you have any quick mop, type of mops recommendations, let me know down below because I'll be needing them. Once I'm done vacuuming, I'm just going to put everything back where it belongs and fix up the pillows on the couch, and then spray everything down with my lemon and sage air freshener from Aswell. This is a Walmart brand, I'm pretty sure, and this is my first thing I've tried from this brand, and it smells so freaking good. I get so many compliments on this scent specifically. I love it so much. I just love it myself, but I also love that other people like it and you can smell it when you come into the house. So that is an A+ for me, and that'll be the end of the speed cleaning video. If you are still cleaning along with me and you still need some motivation and some company, there is an entire cleaning playlist right here on the screen and always linked down below, as well as my other YouTube channel, my Instagram, and my TikTok if you want to follow me everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below other videos that you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in a new one very soon. Bye!